Hello and welcome to this short video on setting up C# in Windows. We'll be doing it by installing Visual Studio. I'm going to install the Community Edition. If you just search for Visual Studio download, it'll give you the top result for the Microsoft download page. We only need the Community Edition. There are others for commercial purposes, but if you're just learning, you only need the Community. Once it's downloaded, the installer, just click on that bit. That'll tell you need to set up a few things. I'll give it a moment just while it finishes installing, and then I'll restart the recording. Okay, so the next window you will get is a choice of different things you want to install. This one is the big important one that you need for .NET or C# development. Most people will probably at some point want to delve into the ASP. You don't have to have it now, but it doesn't hurt. You can see there's lots of options. Some of them to do with C++, some to do with Python. Those of you that have followed my Python tutorial will know that I, in that case, clicked that one and none of these. If you already have Python installed, you can just run the Visual Studio setup tool again. You don't need to re-download it and just add in these extra modules. This is the only essential one. So once you've done that, you click install and wait for it to finish the process. Again, I'm going to pause the video while it finishes. Okay, so as the download finishes, it will ask you to sign in or create an account. You can also skip it